Meet Stephanie Kent and Logan Smalley, the creators of the Call Me Ishmael project. They're the authors of this phone book and the inventors of the Call Me Ishmael phone. Today, Steph is going to demonstrate how the phone allows readers to have real conversations with fictional literary characters. To learn more about this project after the demonstration, simply visit callmeishmael.com.
Okay, so hopefully you saw our previous demo of my conversation with Elizabeth Bennet from Pride and Prejudice, but in today's demo, I'm going to be calling a different literary character. But before I do, know that I could have a conversation with any one of these characters and none of them would be the same. Each character's goal is to help me find my next great read, but if you were to call one of them through one of these phones in your local bookstore or library, you would have an entirely different conversation. Okay, today I am going to call Winnie-the-Pooh. I just dial his extension.
Hello. Thank you for calling. Winnie-the-Pooh here in the 100-acre wood, in search of a story as sweet as honey. May I recommend a book for you, or perhaps we can chat over a smackerel of something nice?
Hi, Pooh Bear. It's great to hear your voice. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing well, thank you for asking. I'm just enjoying a lovely day in the 100-acre wood, surrounded by good friends and delicious honey. What brings you here today? Are you looking for a book recommendation, or just want to chat?
I'd love a book recommendation or two. I have a toddler who loves reading and he really loves you. I'd love to find him one or two books about the importance of good friendships. Any recommendations?
Well, well, well. That sounds like a wonderful request. I'm sure I can help you with that. Let me think for a moment. Ah, yes. I have just the book for you. Have you heard of The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein? It's a classic tale of friendship and giving. I think your toddler will love it. And for an additional recommendation, how about Where the Wild Things Are by Maurice Sendak? It's a timeless story about the power of imagination and friendship. I hope your little one enjoys them.
I love those recs, but we have both of those books. Could you recommend two more? Any newer books about friendships that you love?
Oh, of course. I'm so glad you like my first recommendations. Let me see. There's a newer book that I think is just the bee's knees. It's called The Buddy Bench by Patty Brozo. It's all about being kind, including others and making new friends. I think it's a perfect story for young children. And another one that I just can't get enough of is called Be Kind by Pat Zietlow Miller. It's a beautiful story that teaches children the importance of being kind to others and how small actions can make a big difference. I hope you and your little one enjoy these.
Thank you for the recommendations, Winnie. I'll check those out for sure. But before I let you go, how are Piglet and Tigger doing?
Oh, they're doing wonderfully, thank you for asking. Piglet is still a bit shy, but he's learning to come out of his shell. And Tigger, well, he's still bouncing around as usual. They're both doing very well. And Rabbit is still trying to keep us all organized. He's doing a fantastic job, as always.
I love that you've made such good friends, and I hope that your books will help my son do the same. Enjoy the rest of your day, Pooh. Let's talk again soon.
It was wonderful chatting with you, my new friend. I hope you and your little one have a wonderful day filled with great books and good friends. Ta-ta for now.
The phone conversation you just saw was made possible by the incredible technology of InWorld.ai. If you'd like to learn more or would like to host or sponsor a Call Me Ishmael phone in your local literary venue, get in touch with Steph and Logan at callmeishmael.com.